So the second keyword that's relevant for this streamline calculation, you put that keyword under the props, right? So here under the props, we have stone one, okay? And then input the, or include the PVT, include the relative permeability. And this is the second keyword, tracer, which means that you will describe the tracers that you will use. The first one, I'm going to put a tracer, all right? The name is a tracer, and the tracer will be water. As a phase, it will be water, all right? And I will use the a tracer to indicate the, the formation water. So you can even put the sign, put the tracer on your reservoir water, so that later on you can see in which wells the reservoir water no longer be the majority of the fluid, because you have water flood, you have water injection. Okay, at a certain time in a certain well, maybe the majority of the well, maybe the majority of the water surrounding that well no longer the reservoir water but the injected water. So you want to put tracer on your reservoir water. Okay, and this is, you just mentioned, you just name that you have tracer and the name is B300 and the phase, all right, the liquid or the fluid is water. Okay, you can also actually use oil as the tracer, or water, the keyword is WAT, or gas. But if you use compositional, you will need to name your tracer based on the component. All right, so that's for black oil. And for the compositional, you need to name the tracer as per the name of the component, like CO2. Or if it is water, you will use water instead of WAT. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, and this one, not not 20, but yeah, just by following the name, you know that we can actually up to this well 20, all right, or tracer 20. The numbering, by the way, is not continuous, but by using 20 here, you have the capacity to use up to 20 tracers for tracer B. Okay, but you can actually just calculate how many tracer here. A just 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then you can also use, yeah, 15 here if you want to be very strict. Okay. All right, so that's for the second keyword, tracer under the props. And the third keywords, you put that under the solution. All right, so you have regions, nothing special. You include this file to be used for regioning. And for the solution, yeah, you put this one for initialization, and you put these keywords, which are very important.